How to render using cycles in Blender. First of all, go to the Render Properties tab on the right side and select Cycles as your render engine. This engine provides realistic lighting and shadows using path tracing. Next, choose your device for rendering. In the Render Properties tab, find the device option and select either CPU or GPU depending on your hardware. Using GPU usually speeds up rendering if your graphics card supports it. After that, adjust the sampling settings. Higher sample counts improve image quality but increase render time. You will find sampling options below the render engine selection. For final renders, set the render samples to around 128 or higher for good quality. For quick previews, you can lower the samples in the Viewport section. Then, set the output resolution in the Output Properties tab. Make sure your resolution matches your desired output size, like 1920 by 1080 pixels for Full HD. Also check your light sources and materials to ensure they are set up correctly for cycles, as some materials behave differently compared to other engines. Once everything is ready, press the F12 key or use the Render Image or Animation option from the Render menu to start rendering. The time taken depends on your scene complexity and sample settings. Finally, save your rendered image by selecting Save As in the render window, then choose your preferred format and location. And that's it. Now you know how to render using cycles in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.